We have a couple little segments on the podcast. One of them is called the secret sauce.
Listen up, it's the secret sauce.
I was wondering if you share something that you think, maybe if you have one tip that's making your franchisees successful.
I think in this business, whether it's a franchise or not, the secret sauce is customer service and just provide a level of customer service that nobody's seen in this industry, and you'll be ahead of the game. And if you can afford to keep up with the technology, you got a home run.
Love that. Yeah, I love it. I think that's great secret sauce. And I think, it's kind of been a running theme throughout this whole interview of that customer service being that secret sauce and being just so vital, to you, not only, maintaining your customer base, but growing your customer base as well as, operators around you aren't operating at the same level of professionalism like we were talking about. So awesome secret sauce.